Hello, my name is Chase Martins, and my Tech Talk presentation is going to be about the Golem Network. First, we'll start off with a video from the Golem project.
Golem is a creature from Jewish mythology. It's a creation of man that collects all the bits of pieces. Well, Golem essentially is made of mud and creates something of sheer power and something that haven't existed before and give us opportunities and possibilities never seen before.
We are quite convinced that not so far into the future, internet will be much more decentralized than it is today. And this will require new infrastructure.
And Golem seems to be the ultimate solution to this problem. Not only to distribute computation, but decentralized distributed computation.
Golem is a new way of distributing computing between computers over the public network.
Where users can sell their redundant computation power to users who need it.
This means that you can compute your task on other people's machine.
Technically, Golem is a peer-to-peer network, meaning that users join on an equal basis and there's no central authority or no one is more important than anyone else.
Okay, so I don't know if you were able to understand all of that, but Golem is an open source, decentralized supercomputer. And it works by utilizing the computer resources of computers that are not currently being used. For example, their CPU cycles and their free RAM are one of the most sought after resources for Golem in its stage right now. Basically, it creates a worldwide sharing economy of computing power. So how does it work? First, you need to have an understanding of blockchain technology. It's based off of Ethereum, and if you don't have that technical background, all you really need to understand is that it uses the Solidity coding language for its smart contracts. And so Golem classifies three different types of people who will use their product. First, they have the requesters. These people need to have an image rendered, or they need to borrow the computing power. And they do this by setting a price for the amount of tokens that they would like to give to complete a certain portion of a task. Then they're the providers. So they use their resources to earn these Golem tokens, whether it be rendering a video or anything like that. Finally, the third actor is a software provider. So these are people or companies that have developed a software that is going to be widely used across the Golem network, and Golem plans to pay them back. So for right now, in its alpha stage, Golem is currently only being used for the programs Blender and Lux Render, which render CGI graphics. However, Golem, since its initial coin offering, which is basically its crowdfunding stage, has plans for up to 4 years into the future. So the whole purpose of these separate stages is to create a user base of requesters. And then, as they can continue with their projects, going from brass to clay to stone to iron, it's to broaden the user base of requesters. And hopefully that'll end with successful and innovative integrations of Golem, whatever they may be. So these are just some possible applications of Golem. It's really applicable anywhere where someone wants to remotely get access to processing power. It could be used for AI, it can be used for business, for analyzing big data. It can even be used to mine for other cryptocurrencies. The possibilities are endless with Golem. I was able to find all this information from their website. Thank you very much for watching my presentation.